Okay. Yeko.
So, Hot FM 93.9 FM is live. Your friend is saying a year or so for Kabana or Usweti. But we will be going live. Okay, hello. Kabana Owusu Ajima. Alright, Yes, Cabra, you do as you did, but I told my listeners earlier on, said you will coded location. And also for Kwabana Owusu J and an Opemino Ababeshia, Amenno Ebedin Komo, and it is a coded location. Once again, let me reiterate coded location, Kwabana. Dabi. But Kwabana, ma your phone joining you on Facebook Live. Isaac Dako Boama, Facebook Live. Isaac Dako Boama. We are live on Facebook. So, Ebia, one may doubt, say, is it true? So for Kwabana Jena on any interview Nampa. They will see him live on my Facebook wall, Isaac Dako Boama. Papa Timin and I mentioned the ten and chain. Gagantua lady waha. I was Said Muhammad Wahanamo. I know Penicassia back also come who Hanamo. Okay. All right. Well, no time, but men now said, nah, yen my tear for Aquaba Biomra Hot 93.9 FM marching, Ejuma D. So. We are live on Facebook, Isaac Dako Boama as well. And I'm not paying no, Sabi can capture your tier for SN. We will be getting closer in a coded location with a year or so for Kwabana Owusu Ajay. Now, Gabriel, once I'm going to make a say, all the Kwabana Owusu, and also for the Kwabana Owusu. So, what's I say? 80 minutes. Oh, one sir. Gaba, one sir. I could control be a woman. A software, a word of maybe woman. 80. About your small kind, sir. But I was so for the offer of a jowl. And I want that's off one guy. All right. So, Sadia work a daily guide front page and pay banner headline say NDC prophet threatens to kill EC boss Jane Mensah. Also for Kwabena Jane need that daily guide and you man pay. You bet the home come also for Hot FM 93.9 megahertz. Yamwaba.
Mejemoso Michiamati for so. I assume the income.
I assume the council. Also for Kwabena Jane and then Ekasai.
But your mere mini apostle Kwabena Usweti.
Oh, yeah, this is
DC.
Who join the party then?
Men join the party.
Oh, yeah, sympathize on my party then.
Men sympathize my party. I take instructions from Elohim. And my instructions now is to lead the NDC to victory. And that is what I'm doing.
And that is what Elohim has instructed you, sir. Lead NDC to victory. Also for Kwabena.
Exactly, and that is what I am doing. And this is for year the end, so I will say it.
All right, but what threatens so become Electoral Commission chairperson as Daily Guide has an opinion one more editor on front page.
Daily Guide will be an himself, Freddie Blade. Jimmy.
Oh,
can I on second year was Jimmy? Now, friends, who is CPP now call a friend MPP near the chairman. Jimmy for the war. Oh, I'm a for Brea or party man who is CPP or by I am chairman because Oyakufu are down for. Oh, said Jimmy Nekoswa Ghana. No, instead of using the media space to do proper education, so near farm build their democracy, they use it to do policies. Men can't be as a Miku Jim Mensa, easy boss. Men can't be what I said is this. Jim Mensa, a radia being number who said, oh, fat a quite be so, open all the Ghana fat quite be so. So I quite now take Ghana fast one, and the Bassa Beba, a Jabet to Ghana. And I'm a catcher, say, medium who says, Jato Ghana, Ghana for you, I be able to say, what, and I'm also because I'm paying for Ghana in air to for also would dear Gabriel, I can't have for a catcher, say, and as you will be the first to die, I saw it. And have I threatened her?
So, also for what evidence, we're here, shall I say, Jim Mensa, Gabby Associate, and our father, and as of now, as you mentioned yesterday, that you keep reiterating. So I'm morning up Kushiaka and said, this is what she should do, and I want.
Look, it's not news. Second, in the Ponting station, so HSS Charlotte say, or Yashawuni, or the Tona power, now Yaba Umbe Charlotte say, oh, it was all part of the agenda. John buy an open go for church or let time yesterday, then no miss out of the and no darling girl, Abaho. Until when I call her a silly girl, mean baby, if you buy, you know, if you're a girl and you're silly, you are called a silly girl. What you say? Until if she's a silly girl, that's why she's doing silly things. And I tell you, say, Jim Mensa, you are doing silly. You are being a silly girl. Stop those silly things. Let's do what is right. Say the bear Ghana, you better find to my pay fra. Also, my did nothing.
But
she
can sue you for calling.
So let her go to court and sue me for calling her silly.
Silly as in say, Electoral Commission no would be anymore. So be new voter register. That makes her silly.
That doesn't make her silly. But you see, it is an agenda. Let me tell you something. You see, they keep referring to say NDC for access to data. No, Until this time, what they want to do is control the register and make sure their people are more on the register than those of the NDC. The agenda is that they want to make sure NDC loses about 2 elections so that NDC can be turned into a CPP kind of thing. So they become powerless. If you want the richest man in Ghana, go to Furiata. You know,
this is the finance minister. So
no, I'm not talking finance. Okay. Me say the richest person in Ghana. You're taking Ghana sick as your friend Furiata.
Analysis ben aye, there's some ben aye.
Chroma bank, Chroma insurance, Sika business, BIA, everything that has got to do with Ghana money, BIA, it goes to Furiata and the group, their company. Data Bank and Co. They are controlling Ghana's finances today, whether you like it or not.
Wow.
It is the truth.
I'm not aware.
Well, I'm telling you, go and find out. Go and take. You see that what I'm saying is the truth. So, you know, when I tell Jim Mensa what you're doing is silly, stop it. Because I know, so I be on can say only 2 Charlotte say no me tuna. No man can say NDC for they'll make sure they'll lose 2 elections in a row and become like CPP. We've had majority leader. Or this election race area, NDC will never come to power again. It is an agenda. So what I say, now agenda is now or Babisia. Upe say udi enimu now di jack to Ghana. Because when people are disenfranchised, do you know what is going to bring in this nation? Nobody's going to sit down for you to disenfranchise him or her. It's a jack, and a Baba Ghana. So what I say, you can't allow this. We are a small nucleus family. So my dream Bonnie Kuta Muntino, I dream Papa Bi Mutino. Debbie I'm sorry, and I can in your pawn. Or no, I am more, and then he does your spinning, he does your dirty work. Hey, I come let me tell you. Maybe she if you are so correct. So what I say, a Jimmy for to say we didn't miss. Oh no, no. I take responsibility. I said I take responsibility for it. Me say I take responsibility for it. I said I take responsibility for it.
He is a member of parliament.
So what? He's an idiot of a member of parliament. He is an idiot of a member of parliament. Japan. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Asen, Asen Central MP, who calls himself Honorable King in Japan. Who the hell does he think he is? No, Fuso to me. You're bet me snap net 2. Or that CID boss. Or that IDP. Go arrest this. Go arrest this. Go arrest that. Or no, has he been arrested for the role he played in JB Duncan's death? Has Kenya Japan been arrested? Me say, I'm appealing to the American embassy. I'm for lie detector test in this show. Kenya Japan, I'm throwing the challenge to you. Also, here more ring. I need a lie detector test. Now you know cameras die so. You sure who is talking the truth. Let me tell you something. This Kenya Japan, when Asante Fono planning here, so I'm Kobi, Ejinem, Amananato. Now, I'm a Koyo Munyan Komatieno. Now, I'm be who watching him. And watching him, they 1 year boy, Emma. Oh, this is May 2015. Yes. And watching him on your boy, which is Nana to Mami, Ninia. Okoyeno, he was not accepted. And also, JB Dankwebi, or Tafo or filling station open and was simple. But on the call, the blood line, need JB Dankwa, it doesn't agree. But they wanted the JB Dankwa. Into this honorable JB Dankwa, on no fee, JB Dankwa, the doyen, or finish Chocho, or the grand niece or something like that. Into to pay the Apija people, because like I said, and I've always said, the chief of Apija, Ofrete Wu Yen Kuno, and the Kukuakunan. Say among this year, and I paid a force a bomb. Some Musumunia, until they had to go and pay the people, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. But JB Dankwa was responsible to own JB Dankwa, and so they had this JB Dankwa, and they killed him. And you know something? When he died, according to this boy who is in jail, why tape near them, or say Kenya Japan is a sexy don't. Or say Kenya Japan was the first person he called Captain said Jumano Biden. Let me tell you something. He called Kenya Japan. Said Jumano Biden. Now, when the accident happened, Watchman security said they didn't know. On Yana Hotel from the police were by 2 policemen came from East Legon. Then a relative also brought 2 policemen from somewhere when she was called to come in. There were 4 policemen there. Then DCOP Dampare also came in. The
CID boss.
Well, yeah, I think Greater Accra was his CID boss. Okay, Dampare, yeah. No, Greater Accra something. Yeah, anyway. Now, listen to me very carefully. When this thing, where was I? Dampare came in. Said no, when the boy came in the pond. JB Dankwa no pana Yekuno, which was about 2:33 a.m. And James now honorable Adi Amani, because he's the last person. Everyone, you are not a family member. Or say Nana Adu Dankwa Kufuado, and they say Omra Meshe Assembly was said no more money. Those were his words. And at DCOP Dampare, I walked out. Sebasa, a higher crime scene, a higher parliament, and he was walked out. He came and sat on his air, net 2, and told the whole world, say, police need be, and a friend and a party say, same way they see. It will me kabaye. Hey, Kenya Japan, let me tell you, you are a good spin doctor, but you've picked the wrong address. My name is not Obinim. My name is Kwabena Owusu Ejeyi. Me kame nana adaka. Me nana sofumame kino dina efua jebua ya na adaka wo muzama. Sesi amika se. Me kana mena Kenya Japan. Hey, and now, what you want? What's it? CID for by the Midjani?
Yes.
Where did I run away?
Before.
Where did I run away?
Before we go,
where did I run away?
Before we go there, sir, because someone can say CID for by one of the way trying to CID for the law, BNI for the national security, no company, I didn't run away trying to let us out one to if you company. But I am in a quoted location with you as we speak. Hot 93.9 FM marching and each media. The minute Madako Isaac, I'm here this morning with Awal Said Mohammed Nagagan, lady or Hidewakas Buahin, and a many of me and Sana Kabra Usu, Kofi Mare, and the Cephas, and DJ Kobinuso, Air Studio way back in Accra, a year Jamestown, a year Afro Towers. Now, yeah, so you will code that location of a you know, so for Kabana aiding come on. See, Kennedy Japan should shut up.
He should shut his big, ugly, fat mouth. It stinks. Let me tell you something.
Because of the role he played in Jamie Duncan's death.
Not only the role, he is the Spain doctor in MPP. Assembly Asia, no Makofano, no Abetrao, no. Obini Mishu is just to divert attention. Okay?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
You're coming from National Security. We have warrant to arrest you.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend,
Don't touch me.
anyway, hot 93.9 FM match. Please let us know. There are some people here.
Hey, how come? Hey,
A warrant from the
how?
national security to arrest on a year, Papa, a year, Kabana. Please, please.
Hey, no.
Please take your time, please. We are begging you.
No.
Please take your time. Oh, please, let's
How come?
That's happening live. Please take your time.
Hey, how come?
Please take your time. Go back. No,
Hey.
no, let us also know because we are here with you.
How come, sir?
What is happening now?
Hey, no, this one there. No. Hey, how come?
And we are live here, and we are happy. Let us please know.
No.
We have to know if they are really from the national security.
We have to know. No. We have to know. Pick the numbers. 5666.
Yes.
5666.
Another one. We are
Another car.
Also for you get the numbers. Please, yes, you got the numbers. So the national security has just picked also for the residents.
Yeah. Massa. No.
So please pick the other phone. Let us
Yes.
make a follow-up.
Yes.
We also have to follow up.
We have to go.
Okay, you're frozen. Yes, we started the program with you. Yeah. And all of a sudden, national security has just banked in to pick a year. Your friend is saying, also for community.
Correct. That's true. I'm also a lawyer.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to go for the two course. I will follow up the national.
Okay.
So let me please take a step out for me.
Yes. So this is what has just happened. A year also for Cabinet Day, we were in a quadrant location with him. This is what has just happened right now. A year also for Cabinet Day. If you that national security man pointed a gun at me, trying to stop me because I have to verify as a journalist without provocation. Exactly, we have to verify and know if truly they are from the national security.
Yes.
In order not to be held responsible, and this is what has just happened.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to tell us.
In fact,
I'm Beno.
I'm the
three cars. 3 VIP cars. Okay. 0544. Okay.
ID card. Just financial security and a buyer. I'm not going to say, Sandra, I'm not going to say, idea I'm going to go. Yeah, but maybe I hear it just a look at high education.
Okay, so we are live on Facebook, and where we are currently is a coded location. We are not going to disclose the location to anyone because for national security reasons.
No.
You move from there. You and Mama Gaga move from baby and move to Piano.
Okay. I saw them all.
No.
Barbara, me no can say the idea you feel what the any direction I can't fire no or one idea near chase here. Yes, because the Busafona worried. No much as a money maybe a omodician either. Echo, omuni maybe omodician either. Echo. In terms I worried that almost I had the air pest on Maniaca. Now omodi fee hang. Now omodi either. Omodo miniature maybe a can go be any maybe omodinico. Somebody nico here and somebody nico here. Yeah, dear, yet me who may be a omodi penny near the echo. Nansu a Busafon so I, Bob Musa Menuka say. Ometuka, Omo, I said, Senka, be an iPhone to me, the national security for me to me. We know it to me, Mama.
I'll come and meet you.
Yeah, national security for everyone. I will be sour.
No one actually asked me anything. They only brought the we thoughts now about also for Obi Ababa no maba ka ho show no ho. So we thought that person was going to be but it was unfortunate. 2 men court warrant from the court. I said some mamachi also for Kwabena AJ 80. They just banged in and arrested also for Kwabena AJ. As we speak, the residence of also for Kwabena AJ. We will not say his residence, but we will say we are in a coded location. Come on, let's go. We are in a coded location. That is where we are currently, and as we speak, we have to speak to some of the residents, but some of the sir, one more so Abakasa and hot 93.9 of them, and so I want to be not organic Obiasi and Yadia Obetimno and Wakasa. So I'm moving to see and was somebody. I'm not going to be about baby as a mature, no better better than baby. I say, Obiano, a dear amount for it, and judge any idea, a cost. Now, so Momucha said, yeah, do be ready so bad. Obekasana, Mama Chenia is see, and no who ye,
embra car ne ba ya omu si fom no ne omu ye ya de obi ready so obeka san se ye wa ha ye tuka sam na me no kase de ani akire wa ye ko baby a car no directional car ne de e fa ni ahwese be hukofo ne chi kwan ana se bibi sa me no kase de ya de a ebusafo no so etimi ehu baby a omode hye no ewo omo ankire baby a omo ye de omo wa me no kase egusu a ye de ye ko ya ye de mi car ye de ye ko nti penny no ya de a bi na be dash security boy de abefa no kwa ye nim baby a omo ye si so se omo abefa no kwa ye nkasa ntwofo kwa ye ho a na ye interview no omo etimi ankire baby poti ya de omo de penny ni kwa me no kase omo abefa penny no D8 baku miensa ene baku mienu ye black ena baku ye ash baku ye ash a ebefa penny ni kwa ya se na edi kan de tuja no ye de nama na tuja da cars na ebefa penny no ye di kan de nama na ye de atuja da me no kase ye gusu a ye fi ha ye ko ebusafo na ye worry do mo chese nka bibi kwampo a omo ma accommodation no enfe no lawyer na so national security for no ampene ma wan friend no lawyer me no kase omo abefa penny ni kwa in fact aye nsem mebra ye gusu a me hwese me betimi efi enso ye pe baby e because the next way I ever say be yankasa so omo abefa na say de entimi ye de enchira ye fi osisi a ye de ani akire baby aye kwa ye mpese bibi nti ye be kire bibi poti a samre ye de ye ko nti ye fi ho aye nam kwan so aye ko na mbom ye di kan na chi first ni ahwe baby aka ne fine se oho ye be ko ko ton na say the traffic bi kwa ye be hu o man ti ye fifie ho a ye nam kwan so aye de ye ko
Right, what's the meantime?
Metal come, Cobra.
Good. Quickly, move free area,
Cobra.
Move follow up to baby and not car no air corner.
Cobra, me no can say you feel area more.
You better getting back to you guys. Now, you didn't any information you are going to I don't really know. Say now, I'm not the name back Blue Gates. I'm not the name called BNI. Police headquarters. We don't know. So, yeah, move follow up. Now, move through baby. We are getting calls here. And yes, now baby, I'm one. Move through, move stopping all the interviews. I'm more here, baby. I'm more now move through one.
Cobra, send me can idea you 50 wa. You did near direction a car no fire no. Sebe tuomu and assassinate event 50 wa. You damn kwanso a year for direction a car no cast no fire. I'm depending on the direction and you ever say Pia, you be home and so you could say you baby or money no quality. You did try it. I call you here, maybe I'm depending on.
All right. So, Kabina, so okay. We are following up to the National Security and Secretariat office, where are the baby house, the National Security Minister, to make inquiries and find out where actually you also for Kabina J. Wamadino Aquafa. So, you face animal, what be your car? We are also law. What are your lawyer? It's to Kabina Somo.
Well, hot 93.9, 59 minutes after 8.